Coinbase and Kraken, I think will go illiquid, but I think they will immediately pivot to XRP alongside Bitfinex, and that'll continue to drive demand. I don't think they're going to go out of business or have, a huge impact. There will definitely be short-term impact on their businesses, but I think they're going to be okay. The other thing I'll say about Kraken is now that they have the Fed Master account, they'll be able to access liquidity through that and be bailed out. And it wouldn't surprise me to see Coinbase and Ripple also get Fed Master accounts now that they've, given that to Kraken. NASDAQ, I don't think is going to be the one that saves them. I do think it'll be XRP. And again, like, when I say $1,000 XRP, like, that's what is going to be required to settle it real time on the back end between the DTCC or with the DTCC between the clearinghouses and the brokers. And they're going to need that. That's the first place they're implementing distributed ledger technology. So, tokenization of stocks could happen on Canton or another network, but the settlement, I think, will absolutely be through XRP. But to your question on what are some of the other cryptos I think will have some scarcity and price appreciation, I think Hyperliquid. I mean, we've already seen a pretty significant rise in Hyperliquid with the perps trading that's on chain. That's a big deal. Their integration with Hidden Road was pretty cool to see. I don't know if that one will continue to see, but I mean, that's the whole value prop for that token is as they generate returns through their business, they buy back the token and they burn it. So if you're talking about scarcity, that's probably one of them. When you're looking at, price appreciation and adoption, XLM and HBAR, I think, are probably both up there. XDC as well. All of those, I think, will be adopted and used, and they'll have some pretty significant volume move over the network, which will cause demand and scarcity of those assets. Not all of the XDCs have been put out on the market. Same thing with HBAR, same thing with XLM. There is, some held away. So all of those could have some scarcity and significant demand that drove the price higher.